Just took the Star Ferry across the Victoria Harbour to Central to collect my runner's bag.
H 啊，佢有扣。
翻嚟睇睇呢個手手須知，因為有啲違禁嘅通道嘅，聽日帶乜帶埋。
好啊，好啊。
就係。
好，唔該。
I've came to Hong Kong airport multiple times, like countless of times, but I have never, ever put my feet on the turf of the runway. I gotta be able to run on the runway alongside with the airplanes.
Man, right now it's 5:30 and I'm too excited to go back to sleep. Alright, let me try to get some more sleep before the race. Almost 8:30.
2 hours to go. Hey, not bad.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the start, official start of our HKG Leaders Club.
Off we go! Yay! It's 1 p.m. I'm catching the airplane right there. Number 4. 6 to go. Halfway to go. I always wanted to do that. That's probably the coolest part about running races. 6. Last 3. Last 2 kilometers. Alright. This run is to celebrate the completion of the 3rd runway of the Hong Kong International Airport. And this runway will be put into work next week. And they probably don't have room for another runway. So this is probably the last time ever you can step foot on the runway. So I'm not gonna rush it. I'll just walk until the last kilometer and then we sprint from there. They are running faster than the airplane. All right. coming to an end. Last corner.
The weather was not the greatest on that day. It was raining really heavily for that couple days. But there are still more than 12,000 people showed up and finished the race. I would say this is not only a race. It's more like a festival. People are attending this to celebrate the completion of the new runway. And I hope the city will fly high just like the airplanes.
That was fun. Yo! That was awesome. That was awesome. It's probably the event that you will never able to attend again. I'm so glad I did it. I'm so glad I did it. Alright, it tastes like metal. I don't know why they do that. But anyway, legs are pretty sore. Probably will stay in bed for the next 2 days. But anyway, it was a fun day. Alright, gonna meet up with my friend. We'll have lunch and see you guys in the next vlog.